In this tutorial we are going to see representation of IPv6 address. Okay, if you want to represent IPv4, then how will you represent? We represent in this manner. Okay, 10.11.1.127. okay, means 8 bit 8 bit 8 bit 8 bit. Okay, this is the representation of IPv4, and this format is known as dotted decimal format. I write here dotted decimal format. In the same way, we have to represent IPv6 address. We know that IPv6 is basically 128 bit address, which is 16 byte. Okay, and 16 byte is nothing but 32 hex digit. Hex digit means it's a half of byte, we say. Okay, or half section of 1 byte. Some of the notations of IPv6 are dotted decimal notation, hexadecimal colon notation. Under that there is abbreviated and the more abbreviated notation, mixed representation, and CIDR notation, that is classless interdomain routing notation. Okay, so dotted decimal notation. IPv6 is how much? 128 bit. Okay, it is 128 bit, and each entity is of 8 bit. Okay, 8 bit or 1 byte. Okay, so these are 1, 2. This is 1 bit, and these entities are 16. Okay, so 16 values are there. So total value will be 128. Okay, and if we separate this, if we do it in a section wise, in a hex wise manner, then this will be value of 32 hex. Okay, so this representation of IPv6 address separated by this representation of IPv6 address separated by dots. Okay, decimal values are separated by dot, is known as dotted decimal representation. Okay, next is the hexadecimal colon notation. So meaning of hexa is we use value from 0 to 9 and 8 to 0 to 9 and 8 to F values are used here. So these values are separated by colon. Okay, so that is known as hexadecimal colon notation. 128 bits are divided into 8 sections, each of 2 bytes. Okay, that is 16 bits are separated by colon, or 2 bytes are separated by colon. 2 bytes require 4 hexadecimal digits, therefore it consists of 32 hexadecimal digits with every 4 digits separated by colon. 128 bit. Okay. In case of hexadecimal, you have to use 8 hexadecimal values, and in case of dotted decimal, you have to use 16 dotted decimal 16 decimal values. Under hexadecimal colon notation, there are 2 types: abbreviated and the more abbreviated. Okay. So abbreviated means it's a normal format that IPv6 is represented here in the form of hexadecimal value. We know that IPv6 is represented, what do you say? So 0074. What is the value of 074? So these are leading zeros, means value will be 74. Value of this 000 F. Value of this 4 zeros 0. Okay. Instead of this 0074, I write here 74. After doing abbreviation of this, you get FDEC. This format means 0074 is this F and this 0. Okay, means what you have done, we have omitted the leading zeros. Okay, that is the abbreviated format. Consecutive zeros are eliminated. Okay, so these 4 zeros are there. 4 zeros, instead of 4 zeros I have written here a pair of colon. Okay, colon pair is used, colon pair. And if reverse condition is there, simply you have to count. We require 8 entities. Okay, these are total. How much? 8 entities are there, 8 values. And this value, more abbreviated value, is of 4 entity. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to make it 8, what you have to do? You have to add 4 entities. Okay, means आपको अगर रिवर्स अगर बनाना है from abbreviated to more abbreviated, so what you have to do? You have to eliminate consecutive zeros. Okay, and from more abbreviated to abbreviated, you have to add zeros. Okay, ये हो गई reverse condition. It allows in only once per address. If there are 2 runs of 0 section only, one of them can be abbreviated. Re-expansion of the abbreviated address is very simple. Align the unabbreviated portion and insert zeros to get the original expanded address. Okay, क्या हुआ कि जो कुछ भी रिक्वायर्ड जीरोज है वो रिक्वायर्ड जीरोज आपको ऐड करने हैं. रिक्वायर्ड जीरोज मतलब कितने कि कितने मेनी जीरोस कि 8 एंटिटीज कंप्लीट करने के लिए जितने जीरोस लगेंगे वो आपको ऐड करने हैं. मतलब यहाँ पे 4 एंटिटी हो गए एग्जांपल में, तो 4 जीरोस आपको ऐड करने हैं. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज री एक्सपेंशन. ओके, मतलब रिवर्स करना जिसको बोलेंगे अपन. देन देयर इज अ मिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन. मिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन में क्या होता है? कोलन हेक्साडेसिमल एंड डॉटेड डेसिमल नोटेशन, ये दोनों मिक्स होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? ये जो वैल्यू है, ये वैल्यू जो है वो है कोलन हेक्साडेसिमल की. ओके, एंड ये जो वैल्यू है ये है डॉटेड डेसिमल की. ये वैल्यू 16 16 16 16 16 16, मतलब ये टोटल वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? टोटल वैल्यू हो गई ये 96 बिट्स के लिए. और ये जो है 1 2 3 4, ये वैल्यू हो गई 32 बिट्स के लिए. ओके, मतलब 1 बाइट 1 बाइट 1 बाइट 1 बाइट, एंड टोटल कितना होगा? 128 बिट. देयर इज अ क्लासलेस इंटरडोमेन राउटिंग, CIDR नोटेशन. तो CIDR जो होता है वो कॉम्पैक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए. इफ योर रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज बिग and if you want to compact that representation, then what you have to use? Simply you have to use prefix value. Okay, मतलब representation अपना 60 तक जाता है. If our representation goes up to 60 values, then this 60 is basically prefix will be added, and इसके लिए जो यूज होता है वो है slash as classless interdomain routing, that is CIDR notation. Okay, thank you.